Never before in human history have we developed so rapidly. The Pearl River Delta in South China has undergone a breathtaking transformation. In just a few decades, vast farmlands and forests have given way to a sprawling urban landscape of skyscrapers and busy streets. As cities grow, they heat up. Our daily activities, from using electricity to taking transportation, generate heat. At the same time, concrete absorbs sunlight, making cities warmer than nearby countryside due to the urban heat islands effect. More people means even more heat. This urban warmth isn't just uncomfortable. It can change how our cities interact with weather systems, especially powerful storms like tropical cyclones. But how exactly, and what is a tropical cyclone? Tropical cyclones are nature's swirling giants born from the sea. They form at latitudes between 5 and 30 degrees as the tropical region when the sun heats up the ocean waters there. As warm air rises and the earth spins, it creates a huge spinning storm. The warm water keeps feeding the cyclone, making it grow stronger. What happens when these giant storms sweep across our modern megacities in South China? You are living in the bustling Pearl River Delta region, right in the heart of a big city. And your friend Jackie? He's enjoying the peaceful countryside just a stone's throw away. Now imagine a tropical cyclone decides to crash your weekend plans, because you're both in for a wild, wet ride, but your experiences are going to be as different as a sprinkler and a fire hose. Let's start with the main event, extreme rainfall. In Jackie's rural house, it's like nature's filling up a small bucket, dumping about 19 to 25 millimeters of rain in an hour. But in your concrete jungle, there will be about 10 to 40% to experience rainfall ranging from 20 to 50 millimeters in an hour, and also more than 5 times the chance to experience extreme rainfall larger than 50 millimeters in an hour. Living in the city means you're 20 to 50% more likely to get any level of tropical cyclone rain compared to Jackie. You're both holding umbrellas. Jackie feels like he's under a steady garden hose, not fun, but manageable. And you, it's like someone switched that garden hose for a fire hose. Your umbrella is practically begging for mercy. And when it comes to heavy rain, we're talking more than 40 millimeters per hour. You've hit the rainfall jackpot. But it's not just about frequency and intensity. When we look at the big picture, the total rainfall over a day, your city is still winning the water wars. The urban area sees about 15 to 40 millimeters more rain per day than the rural location. That's like getting an extra 1 to 4 big buckets of water dumped on your city every single day of the cyclone. So, next time a tropical cyclone comes knocking, remember, while Jackie might be dealing with nature's garden sprinkler, you're facing the ultimate urban car wash. Your city's skyline isn't just a pretty sight, it's kind of a rain magnet, turning every tropical cyclone into a super soaker adventure. Why does urban deluge? Well, your city is like a giant obstacle course for the cyclone. All those buildings and structures are like hurdles that slow down the wind, creating a speed bump effect. Think about you are playing on 2 water slides. A smooth water slide where you zoom down effortlessly, like wind racing across open fields in the rural locations, and the another water slide covered in miniature buildings and obstacle where you bump and twist slowly to the bottom. That's exactly how wind behaves in cities, slowed by the surface roughness of urban structures. Urban obstacle courses can slow the wind by over 5 meters per second. This might sound good, but it actually causes more trouble. As the wind slows, it creates a traffic jam of moist air right over the city. As this moisture-rich air piles up, it has nowhere to go but up, creating clouds and rain. This is why cities often see more rainfall during tropical cyclones. Interestingly, contrary to previous beliefs that human-made heat significantly increased urban precipitation, the new result reveals that during tropical cyclone passages, increased rainfall is mainly caused by surface roughness of the urban landscapes. Cities' extra human-made heat has a weak impact on it. Cities don't just change how we live, they fundamentally change how storms interact with our urban spaces, affecting rainfall patterns in ways we didn't anticipate. If a tropical cyclone slows down, the longer it lingers over an area, the more rain it drops. Now, picture this rain cloud dancing over our city and the countryside. When this rain-laden dancer stays longer, the city, with all its buildings acting like a rain magnet, gets even wetter compared to the countryside. If our cloud dancer twirls around for about 46 hours, the city could soak up a whopping 80% more rain than the rural areas. That's like filling your bathtub in the city while your country cousin only fills a sink. This extra rain isn't just a fun fact. It can actually mean serious business. Streets could turn into rivers, basements into pools, and your morning commute into a kayaking adventure. But there's hope. The Chinese University of Hong Kong's Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences is here to help. It offers exciting courses exploring our planet from atmosphere to core, from immediate environments to ocean depths. You'll gain practical knowledge to tackle real-world challenges. This animation is referenced to research findings from Professor Tam Chi Yung Francis and his team. Professor Tam is a climate dynamicist and puts lots of effort into studying multi-scale physical meteorology. If you want to know more about fascinating Earth science discoveries, keep your eyes on us.